Want to master Wix Studio and build stunning and professional websites? I'm Nikoleta, a UX designer and no-code developer, and in this course I will take you from a complete beginner to a confident UX Studio user. In Wix Studio Foundations course, you will learn everything step by step. We will build a hero section from scratch, master the interface and testing features, apply and implement animations and interactions on each element, and create a complete site style for your brand with professional and good-looking typography and color scheme. You will also work on a hands-on exercises with a workbook so you can build yourself the sections and the web pages that are responsive and accessible for your users. By the end, you will know how to redesign a pre-designed section, troubleshoot common design issues, and also apply common web design fundamentals confidently. This course combines clear video lessons with practical exercises. Each lesson builds upon the last, giving you real skills that you can apply immediately. Whether you are starting a freelance career, or you're building your own website, or you're just curious about web design, this is your course. This course is perfect for complete beginners with no coding or web design background. If you are ready to learn Wix Studio properly, build professional and user-friendly websites, enroll today and let's start together. I will see you in lesson 1. Bye!